The grand jury has indicted Casey Anthony in the murder of her daughter, Kaylee. But was this the best move? News 13's Kelly Cook has been on the phone all day with a number of attorneys throughout Central Florida. And Kelly, what are they saying about the indictment? Is it looking like a solid case?
I talked with legal experts who know what it takes to convict and defend criminal cases. And they say Casey Anthony's murder case comes down to proving three things. 1, Kaylee is dead. 2, Casey did it. And 3, that this was a premeditated act. One defense attorney says the problems with the prosecution's case, all of the forensic evidence investigators have, will not necessarily be admissible in court. For example, those air sample tests that allegedly showed there was a decomposing body in the car.
You're going to tell me you can grab air and just say that not only is it that this air contains dead person's samples and DNA? That sounds like hocus pocus to me. It sounds great for TV, but I doubt it's going to get into a courtroom.
Here's why. All evidence must be accepted within the science community. And Hornsby says this air sample test is still very new. Here's another potential problem. The prosecution claims that the death of Kaylee was premeditated or thought out.
In that they don't have anybody with personal knowledge or anybody that saw her die. So the question is, how are they going to prove that she planned out this death of her daughter as opposed to it being an accident?
But the defense has an uphill battle too. Aside from the air sample test, there is reportedly hair found in the back of the trunk that belonged to Kaylee. A cadaver dog that alerted to the smell of decomposition in the trunk as well as in the Anthony backyard. And then there's the biggest asset, Kaylee.
Probably the best asset for the prosecution looking at this case is the fact that it does involve a small, attractive child, and I think that there are a lot of sympathies for that.
And then there's the unknown. Both legal experts agree that the prosecution is most likely holding off some pretty damaging evidence that they are not releasing to the public. In Orlando, Kelly Cook, News 13.